teach teacher hobby, and I really appreciate all of you who are listening and watching today. So today is your first day of class for some student who didn't attend our or participating our online class. Okay, so right now you're here. So good day. Okay, so good day. Okay, grade one. Okay, so here, so teacher, what is our lesson for today or our discussion? So for today's discussion, okay, so we have the classroom or on-site class greetings. Okay, so some student who learn with me, especially in online class, so you know what is this, okay? So what is the classroom or on-site class greetings? But for those students who didn't, okay, participating or learning with me in the class, so they must to learn this one. So I just make this one for them, okay? So for the first time, okay? And their lesson or in the classroom. So the classroom sequence. So we can call this one as a classroom sequence. So we will have greetings and response in this time, okay? So next, introduction about the subject. So what is the subject you are taking? Okay, from me. Okay, so you are taking or you are learning. Okay, from me. Okay, so you must to know it. Okay, so from me and teacher Ann, of course. So we are your teacher. And next, the classroom rules and regulations. So when you go to the TESCO, when you go to a company or office or in establishment, so they have the rules there, right, that you must to follow. So in classroom, we have also that one. So this one is the grading evaluation. So how we make your grades or how I make your grades. Okay, so how I make your grades. So you must know it. Okay, and the proper leave taking. So we cannot finish this one all in this day, I know. So if we finish at here, so it's okay. So next time we will tackle this one. Okay, so don't worry about that. So proper leave taking, what is the teacher? So when you say goodbye, okay? So when the class is end or finish, so how do you respond on your teacher when they say thank you and goodbye, grade one student, like that, okay? So here, I'm going to, okay, so let's start, okay? So I'm going to asking you a question, okay? So this is teacher Habi, and this is you, the student, okay? So are you ready? Are you ready again? Are you ready? Yes, I am, okay? So yes, I am. Okay, so it means that you're ready. No, I'm not. Okay, so you're not ready. So this one here is the student. Okay, you. Okay, so remember, this is you. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start. What is classroom or on-site class greetings? Okay, so what is classroom or on-site class greetings? Okay, so let's read. It is polite words. Okay, polite words that use to said at the classroom before the class will start. Okay, so before the class will start, so you must to say this one in your classroom. Okay, so you must to say this one. So it means that if our class is not yet starting, so we must do what? To greet each other. So you must to know this one here. Why? This is because this is a polite words. You can use this one not only to your teacher, but for other people, okay? Sometimes to your friends is okay, to your families, and to people that you just meet, okay? Especially when you're applying for a job or you are in a school. So it's a good, okay? It's a useful words that you can use for daily life. Okay, so next, okay, so here. So what is classroom or on-site class greetings? So here, okay, so this is the sequence here. So teacher will say, okay, so this is me here. Everybody, please stand up. Okay, so what is stand up, teacher? So everybody, it means that all of you, okay? All of you, please, okay, please stand up. Okay, so stand up here. Okay, so I show you. This is the stand up. Okay, so next. Okay, so you're stand up already. And then teacher will say, good morning, grade 1 students. So how do you respond? Okay, so you're here. Okay, you stand up and you're here. You must to say, good morning, teacher. Okay, so good morning, teacher. Okay, don't forget. Good morning. Again, good morning, teacher. Okay, so good morning, grade 1 students. Okay, so good morning, teacher. Okay, so good morning, teacher. So don't forget about that. Good morning, teacher. Okay. So next. Okay, how are you today? Okay, so I'm going to asking you, how are you today? So you must respond. I sometimes your response, I am fine, thank you, and you. Okay, so you must to change it sometimes. Okay, so not all the time you must to say I am fine, thank you, and you. So you can say I am good, teacher, thank you, and you, or even we don't have this word, teacher, is okay for me. The important is you can respond. Okay, so I'm good, thank you, and you. Okay, so this is you, the student. So I will say because you're asking me here. Okay, so and you, so it means that you're asking me too. So I will say I'm good too. Okay, everybody please sit down. Okay, so I'm good too. Everybody please sit down, or students please sit down. So this is the sit down. Okay, so you must to put your legs on the chair. Okay, so sit down. Okay, next. Okay, so introducing ourselves. Okay, so we introduce ourselves today. So it's included on the classroom or on-site class greeting, especially right now we are in the first day of our class. So my name is Habi. Okay, so my name is Habi. What is your name? Okay, so what is your name? So my name is here. Okay, this word here. Okay, so this is my name. Okay, my name is Habi. So what is your name? Because I'm going to asking you what is your name. So my name is. Okay, so you can say my name is Kate, my name is Chutikan, my name is Bibi Twin, my name is Bibi Chai. So my name is, okay? My name is, don't forget about that. That is your name. So next, what is your student number? Okay, so your student number in the class, what is your student number? Okay, so my student number is, okay, so what is your student number? Okay, so my student number is, okay, so this is you. So you can say 0, you can say 10, you can say 20. Okay, if your student number is 20. Okay, next. Okay, so here, so this we will now move to your introduction about the subject. Okay, so introduction about the subject or your subject. So what subject are you studying in our class? So what subject are you studying in our class? Okay, so in my class or in our class, because including you, not only me. Okay, so in our class, so you must say English subject. Okay, so this is the subject you're taking. So English. Okay, English. Don't forget this. English, not pasangkrit. Okay, so that is in Thai. So English. Okay, don't forget. Okay, so here, what is English subject, or what is English? So like that. Okay, so what is English? So here, this is a universal language. Okay, this is a universal language that you can use to communicate or interact to other people in other countries. So it means that the English subject is a universal, okay? So all around, okay, type of language, okay? That you can use, that is useful to what? To talk, okay? To talk or communicate, it means to talk, okay? Interact. So, mingling, okay? So when you do mingle, link with other people, so you mingle other people. So PR, okay? Public relation to other people in other countries. So when you like to buy something, when you like to go something, you need to speak to them. So how you do you know where you are you going if you don't know how to speak, okay? Especially if you are in the other country. Okay, so you must to speak, okay? So you must to use the language that, okay, so every place or country it's have their own language, but they everywhere, okay? Everywhere in the globe, or when we say countries all around the globe, we have the subject, or they have the subject English, okay? So they know how to communicate with English, okay? There is some cannot, but mostly no. So you must to know how to communicate, okay? Don't forget. Okay, so here, what are the skills that we will use and must to improve in this subject? So we're asking here, okay? So what are the skills that we will use, okay? So we will always um, doing, okay, use, okay, doing in our class, okay, or in our subject English, and what we must do, okay, we must to enhance, okay, so we must to improve, it means enhance, okay, don't forget, in this subject or English, in English subject, so we have number 1, reading, Don't forget this, okay? So I will give you a quiz, okay, about this one. So Teacher Happy will give you a quiz about this, okay? So reading. Next, we have writing, okay? So reading, that is the time you have your books and you must read each word, okay, or sentence up there, one by one, okay? So writing, okay, that is the time you write the letter, okay, or the words that you can see in your books in the blackboard, okay? So next, listening, so that is the time when there is someone talking and you need to listen and you need to know what she or he is saying. Okay, next, spelling, okay, so that is the time that you must do the one words, you need to cut it into one letter, okay, per letter, so that you know how to spell like cat, C-A-T, cat, okay, like that. So that is the spelling. Okay, speaking, of course, that is the communication. So that is the time you must to talk, okay? When we say speaking, you must to talking. Okay, you must open your mouth, of course. So how you can talk if you're not opening your mouth, you're shy to teacher, okay? So you're no need to shy. Okay, next, this one here, the important one, memorizing. Okay, so you cannot read, you cannot spell, you cannot cannot enhance your speaking or your writing and listening without memorizing. Okay, so you must to memorize everything. So when I'm reading, I memorize each words. Okay, so that I can read it. When I'm listening, I memorize. I do my memorizing or my listening skills is what? It's need to improve. Why? Because when someone listening, I memorize what he is seeing, he or she is saying, so that I can what? I can answer it or respond to it. Okay. So don't forget memorizing this one here. So this is the one of the most important too. Okay. So you cannot write without memorizing. You don't know what you're writing. You cannot speak. Okay, without memorizing. Okay. So everywhere. Okay. So when you can memorize, you can easy to speak too. So, and the spelling, so it's almost the same. When you're memorizing, it looks like you're doing a spelling. Okay, so don't forget. So here, so I have the quiz for you. Okay, so all you need to do is what? Is to read, write, and choose the correct missing letter below. So this is the letter, okay? So you must do write, okay? So where is this one? What is this one? Is this speaking, writing, reading? What is this? So you must to choose, okay? So you must to put the words here. So example, this one, example, okay, writing. Okay, so I put W here, okay? So that is how you do, okay? And you have your worksheet, so your homework or worksheet, so here. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, so this is our lesson for today, class. So the video is too long now. So next time, I'm going to show you the classroom rules and regulation. Okay, so what is the rules in our classroom? So I hope you learned something for today, class. Thank you so much. Bye.